ಇಂಪು ಇಂಪಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಇಂಪು ಇಂಪಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದ ಗಿರವೊತ್ತು
was almost year and a half long study that we had with these participants in Ramnagara. This was a research project which, as all research projects go, came to an end at a finite time. And as we were exiting, we had a lot of these women come and tell us, you know, now our work is over, the research is over, we have to now analyze the data, etc., but what about them? And this really provoked us into thinking that maybe we need to think about them as our participants in the study. And that is how this whole idea of having an enterprise for women in Ramnagara came about.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 25 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿಬ್ರು ಮೂವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ 20 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವೇ ಆರ್ಡ್ರುಗಳು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಲುಬ್ನಾ ತಾತ.
ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ರಾಮನಗರನೇ?
ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು.
ಇದು ಮಿಂಚು ಈ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು?
ಮಿಂಚು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಇದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
These products, especially hand embroidered jewelry, it's something new. People think of it, you know, it looks more or less like terracotta jewelry, which now people are familiar with. But this is not terracotta, it's hand embroidered. So when they realize that it's hand embroidered, then people do find it attractive. But of course the price, there are some, it varies from, at some venues people have found the price very reasonable, and at some places students have found it rather expensive. But overall our feedback has been the products are innovative.
Actually, we were very clear from the very beginning that this would have to be their baby. This would have to be their enterprise, and we from the IAM would only act as facilitators. So that is the reason why RE embroidery was chosen as the means for giving training, because some of the women there were comfortable doing the embroidery. They also used to do job for these pieces. So that is how we decided to take this on a fuller scale. Of course, they began with the usual products that are there in embroidery and that you see around in the markets all around you in Bangalore and elsewhere, saris and other things. But we realized that job work of this kind, even when done on a slightly larger scale, is really not helping them out.
आप ये मिंचू संस्था में कितने दिन से
3 साल होगा आपको?
3 साल से?
हाँ, एक 7-8 महीने से घर पे थी।
हाँ
2 साल तो कंटिन्यू कर को हूँ।
अच्छा।
7 महीने से काम नहीं आती थी, इधर दूर होता घर को, और मैं घर पे ही करती थी काम।
अच्छा, अभी आपने इधर आके कामगारी सीखा, आप पहले जानते थे ये सब काम?
पहले शादी से पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा जानती थी।
अच्छा।
ज़रा ज़रा तो था। शादी यहाँ को जमीना तब से तो पूरा कंप्लीट इधर ही सीखी मैं।
अच्छा।
अच्छे से अच्छा डालने का, कैसा स्टोन डालती, कैसा ये पोत डालती, वो सभी पूरा सारा काम इधर ही सीखी मैं। और एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हाथ की एम्ब्रॉयडरी, सुई का काम सब इधर ही सीखी मैं।
तो किसी ने बोला आपने साड़ी का भी कुछ काम करते हैं क्या?
जी हाँ, साड़ी पर डिज़ाइन डालती हूँ।
तो एक साड़ी में डिज़ाइन डालने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है आपको?
वो जैसा हमें ओवर काम घर का कर लगती 3-4 महीने तो लगता है
एक साड़ी करने के लिए। अच्छा, आप ये संगा में आके सबके साथ बैठ के ही काम करते हैं क्या? आप घर से बैठ के काम करते हैं?
2 साल तो यहाँ पर आकर काम करती थी।
अच्छा।
इसके बाद हमारे घर वाले नहीं भेजे, हमारे यजमान ने जाने को घर पे ही बैठी थी। तब पैसे की थोड़ी तकलीफ थी तो मैडम को पूछा, घर बैठे हुआ काम दे रहे हैं मुझे।
अच्छा, अभी घर में ही आप पूरे काम कर।
And places like Ramnagar are, I would say, the soft underbelly of India's urbanization. You do not have the kind of livelihood opportunities that a city like Bangalore would have, but at the same time you no longer have the farmlands which provided them food security 20 years or 30 years ago. So you have young people, young women, young girls, men and women in places like Ramnagar really at a teether's end. They do not have the skills to get the kind of jobs in urban India, and neither can they fall back on the kind of security that was provided by rural India. See, having a common workplace is important because it is really in this workplace that norms and values that of working in a formal center of work gets inculcated. It gets inculcated almost by the process of them working together, And then more importantly, I think a common workplace also now we've realized helps because it makes things. Now you see Minchu is taken on the responsibility itself. The women make their own payments, they decide their own wages, they decide their own incentives. They also decide what kind of products, designs, etc. Everything is now decided by them, and all this happens at the common meetings that take place at that workplace. So I cannot emphasize much the importance of having this common workplace, at least in the initial phases. Craft made from waste material, etc. We are also willing to pay a premium for it. But which meant that the women had to be exposed to a clientele, to a market of our types, which meant that if they were to run that organization, they had to do most of the marketing themselves. So they had to be present at the sale events, they have to talk to the kind of customers who buy their products, and this is what we facilitated.
Then once this product was ready, we had these brand of range of hand embroidered products called the Minchu accessories, and Minchu meaning shine in Kannada, and it's a name that the group members have given themselves. The market, apart from the sales that the group members have been, they have been attending sales events at various colleges, at conference venues, at hearts organized by the government. But we are also trying to get these products into retail stores so that there's a regular supply chain of these products. There are a few outlets now that are stocking.
ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ದೇನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Are fairly, they're not ready to pay, even if they are marking up, even if they mark up very high, they expect a low price from the producer, and then payments are also quite delayed, so that also affects the production. So far it has been, the sale model of going to sales and exhibitions has been good so far because, it gives immediate revenues. But that's not enough because it's also the group cannot sustain that way because they cannot be forever going around marketing. They need both avenues, occasional exhibitions and events, and also regular.
ಇಂಪು ಇಂಪಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ
ನಾನು ಸೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಲವರು ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿವರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸೇಲ್ಗಳು ಇಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬೇಕು.
ಇಂಪು ಇಂಪಿನ ಗುಂಪು ಕೋಗಿಲೆ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಆರ್ಡ್ರ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಯಾವುದೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಜನಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಅನುಭವಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಂಚು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗಾರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಪೀಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಈ ಪೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ.
Completely different market. It's generally people like us, people from the urban kind of customers who buy their products, and this is what we facilitated and we help them to do. Our role here, if you want me to really demarcate and tell where do we stand vis-a-vis Minchu Mahila Kaigarika Sangha, we provide them with some marketing help.
ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬರದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಂದ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು
in terms of really what kind of assistance does Minchu need in future? Funds, they are learning to manage on their own. They are paying their wage payments out of their own sales, and this will grow. We're quite confident it will grow. It will attract funders. They are there as entrepreneurs jointly working towards a product which they own today. The workplace, at a workplace in which they are not terribly pressurized. That is what we want to sustain in Minchu. So what we really want people are to speak up for this ethos, really, to speak up for Minchu to be goodwill ambassadors for the product, to be goodwill ambassadors for the handicrafts that they are propagating. It's that kind of help that we would be welcoming.
ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು
been actively involved with Minchu. There are people who are giving fabric and threads for this enterprise. There are people who have offered free training in management of the group, training in designers. They have offered their design expertise free of charge. People have offered to train these people in pattern making. So it's actually this that is helping the enterprise.
Oh